Let us see the next question. In 2010, a mobile cost $150 in New York, 450 Singapore dollar in Singapore, and 22,500 rubles in Moscow. First question, if actual exchange rates in the year 2010 were 2.50 Singapore dollar per dollar, 200 rubles per dollar, where would you prefer to buy your mobile? That is the question. Then second part of the question is given that we will need later on. I want you to tell me answer of the first question. Chalo, write an answer. Decision making about place from where mobile should be purchased. Now friends, over here importantly what will happen? Importantly over here, you can take any one currency as a base currency for the decision making, because we have been provided with the information that the price of the mobile is $150 in New York, then it is 450 Singapore dollar in Singapore, and 22,500 rubles in Moscow. Actual exchange rates are provided to us as 2.50 Singapore dollar per dollar and 200 rubles per Singapore dollar. Like that information is given. So now you can take base of any one currency to give the answer, and preferably dollar currency. Why? Because both the exchange rates are provided in comparison to dollar. Taking base of any other currency is also acceptable. This is what we understand. Okay. So let us say I'm taking the base of dollar currency. So if at all you purchase the mobile phone from New York, then in that case, say the price is $150. If at all you buy from Singapore, then in that case, let us see what will be the cost. It is 2.50 Singapore dollar per dollar. 2.50 Singapore dollar per dollar. So 450 Singapore dollar will have this amount of cost. 450 upon 2.5. So in that case, the answer is 180 US dollar. And lastly, it is Moscow. So in that case, the price is 22,500 rubles and the exchange rate is 200 rubles per dollar. So this is 22,500. So in that case, 22,500 upon 200, that comes to 112.5. This is the way you make a comparison, and of course you are going to purchase it the place where it is available at the cheaper rate, so you are going to buy it from Moscow. So this is New York, this is Singapore, and this is Moscow. Please write an answer. If at all by chance you are taking base of, let us say, Singapore dollar currency, then in that case, say calculation of the value of the phone in Singapore dollar is very simple. It is provided to us ready-made in the example 450. In New York also it is very simple. Why? Because the dollar and Singapore dollar, between both of them the exchange rate is provided. However, for this you are required to compute the cross currency rate. So just for understanding purpose, I am showing to you that if at all you take base of the Singapore dollar, then how will you make the calculation of answer? In that, working note number 1, calculation of rubles per Singapore dollar. That is what you are required to compute first of all. Rubles is final answer per Singapore dollar. Against Singapore dollar, dollar is given, and against dollar, ruble is given. Okay, rubles per dollar, it is 200. Dollar per Singapore dollar, in that it is 1 divided by 2.5 into 1. So 200 upon 2.5, that comes to 80. It is 80 rubles per Singapore dollar. This is what we understand. Okay. Now the price of mobile at different places. Let us compute it in Singapore dollar currency term. The first is, say you purchase from that is say from New York. Then in that case the price of the mobile is 150 and the exchange rate is 2.50 Singapore dollar per dollar. Singapore dollar per dollar, it is 2.50 and the price is 250. So this is the cost in Singapore dollar currency term. 2.5 into 150. So it is 375 Singapore dollar. In Singapore, the price is 450 Singapore dollar. And in Moscow, it is rubles per Singapore dollar. The exchange rate is 80 rubles per Singapore dollar. So for 22,500 rubles, this is the amount of Singapore dollar. So 22,500 upon 80, and it comes to 281.25. This is the way you make a comparison, and definitely even the sequence is going to remain same. In a way, that's the sequence. In the earlier question it was 1, 2 and 3. The price lowest to highest. Same is the case. 1, 2 and 3. It is the lowest to highest. This is what we understand.